In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin your Reddit post to your profile. Pinning a post is a simple way to highlight something important on your Reddit profile, like an introduction, an achievement, a guide you've written, or anything you want visitors to see first. Once a post is pinned, it will stay at the top of your profile, above your more recent posts, until you unpin it. First, open Reddit and go to your profile. You can do this from the app or from a web browser. On the app, you'll usually tap your profile icon and then choose the option that says Profile. On desktop, you'll click your username in the top right corner and select your profile from the menu. When you're on your profile page, you should see a feed of posts that you've made. Next, scroll through your posts and select the one you want to pin. Take a moment to think about which post you really want visitors to notice. It might be something that represents you well, a helpful resource, or a post you update regularly. Tap or click on that post to open it fully so you can see the entire content and the options connected to it. Now look for the three dots icon associated with that post. This is often called the More Options menu. On mobile, you'll usually see it either at the top right of the post or just below it. On desktop, it's typically under the post title or to the right side of the post. Go ahead and click or tap those three dots to open the menu. Inside this menu, you'll see several options related to your post. From here, choose the option that says Pin to Profile. Once you select it, Reddit will pin that post to the top of your profile. You may see a small confirmation or visual indicator showing that the post is now pinned. After you've pinned it, go back to your main profile view and check that the post appears right at the top of your post list. If you decide later that you want to change the pinned post, you can repeat this same process on a different post and pin that one instead. Reddit will update which post is pinned, and if you ever want to remove a pinned post, open it, tap the three dots again, and choose the option to unpin it from your profile. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to pin your Reddit post to your profile so that your most important content always gets seen first.